Hello and welcome to this latest new video in which we explain our universal LED stack system. LED is quite important nowadays and we see an increasing demand for more creative solutions in regards to LED support structures. So we want to get you a little bit more familiar with the available universal LED stack system with all its existing and new features. The LED stack system has been developed to support your LED wall if you want to stack from ground level up. With the LSU system, you cannot create only straight screens, but also curved screens, which is the latest addition to the program. If you don't want to start your screen from ground level, we now have an adjustable leg support available to start the screen from a higher level. There are only a couple of different items needed to assemble your support structure. You need a base unit, a connection bar, some ladder trusses and an adapter to connect the LED panel with the ladder truss. Let's start with the base unit. It's equipped with 3 adjustable feet. They are needed for leveling the whole system. 2 half-mil couplers are mounted in the center of the base unit and they will take your ladder truss. On the front side you will see 2 guide plates for connection bars which are mounted to the side in front of the base. They are movable because not every available LED panel has the same depth and you want to make sure that the panel is just resting on its frame and not on the LEDs. Then we have the connection bar, which is the base for your LED wall. They connect the base units with each other. They are available in a 1 meter, a 1 meter 50 and a 2 meter length. On the bottom side the connection bar has holes which will fit over the wire thread of your base unit. The distance between the base units is always approximately 1 meter. It's depending a little bit on the size of your LED panel when creating a LED wall. Depending on the shape of the wall, they are delivered as straight units or as curved units. The curved units will be available in a 2.5, a 5, a 7.5 and a 10 degrees angle. Then we have the ladder trusses, which functions as the backbone of your system. The ladder truss does not have diagonal members but just straight members. This is to avoid that the LED wall adapter will interfere with the diagonal pattern of the truss element. The ladder truss is based on the standard 30 cm truss and is standard available in a length of 50 cm, 75 and 1 meter. When setting up the system, you always start with a 75 cm piece. If you would start with a 50 or a 100 cm piece, you will end up at a connection point to mount the adapter, which is absolutely not advisable. The last component you need is the LSU adapter. This is the connection between the LED panel and the ladder truss. The square plate on the adapter is able to take an M8, an M10 and an M12 bolt, so suitable for a variety of panels. Also the place will be available in a 2.5, a 5, a 7.5 and a 10 degrees angle. At the other end it is equipped with a side entry clamp, which is very convenient during the assembly. The adapter slides in very easily between your panel and the ladder truss. If you start to build your LED wall, only the first horizontal row of panels need an adapter in the top and in the bottom hole of the LED panel. When that row is completely mounted, you only need an adapter every meter height. An extra addition to the program is the adjustable leg support. If you want to start your screen on a higher level, you can use this support, which is extendable in height between the 90 and the 130 centimeters. The LSU system can be built up till 4 meters height without any lateral stabilization. Above the 4 meter, till a maximum of 6 meters, you need a lateral stabilization at 4 meters height. The system is calculated to the latest standards. With the LSU system, Prolyte has a complete flexible solution which enables you to realize your ideal size of LED screen. For now, I'd like to thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Moi!